of potter. Yugostra was the name of a poor potter who lived in a certain kingdom. One night, when he was returning after drinking more than he should, he stumbled and fell over some pots. When he got up, he saw blood was oozing out of his forehead. There was a deep cut due to a broke piece of pot. For that he did not go apply any medicine on his foot, which is the reason that he did not heal for a long time. After a long time, the foot finally healed by itself, but it left a big scar on his forehead. Soon afterwards, there was a famine in the country, and he decided to leave his place and travel to another part of our country. On his way, he joined a group of people who served at the royal household. Along with them, he started serving all the royal households. One day, the king noticed a big scar on his forehead and thought, "This man must be a great warrior. The scar on his forehead is even red, that he has received such good in some battle. He must be very brave." Thus, the kingdom promoted him as a warrior, and he was honored with a place amongst the best warriors of the kingdom. The other householders workers knew that he was no warrior and became jealous of the fact that the king favored him, although he did not deserve it rightly. Soon after, a battle was impending, and the king summoned all his warriors. He wanted to speak to all the great warriors personally and gifted them with the precious item as encouragement. The king addressed the soldiers with encouraging words and inspected the environment and weapons and even the elephants and horses. On the other hand, the potter was no real warrior, and he feared going into the battleground. All the preparation for battle made him tension, but he was resolved to prove himself as a warrior in the battleground. While inspecting, the king noticed the potter. He took him aside and asked, "Oh warrior, fighting which battle did you get this deadly scare?" The potter replied, "Oh king, this scare was not caused by any by any squad. Being a potter by profession myself, my home was full of pots. One night, I tripped after drinking more than I should have. I tripped over them, and that caused this good. Due to improper attention, that good left this big scare." When the king heard the truth, he felt embarrassed for his eagerly decision. He asked his soldiers, "He is a potter who have deserved me by pretending to be a warrior. Drive him away from army." The potter fell on his knees and blessed to the king. "Oh king, please do not do this. Have mercy on me, for I am sure I will be able to prove my bravery on the battleground. Please give me a chance to prove my worth." The king replied, "You may have excellent qualities and you may be brave, but you do not possess The other warriors will not come to know that you are only a potter. They will ridicule you. You will get yourself killed on the battleground. It is better if you leave and return to your home. The potter understood the king's advice and left the palace immediately. The moral of the story: continue being what you are, else you pay for it. Thank you.